Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The Jeep Wagoneer is a full-size luxury SUV that combines Jeep's renowned off-road capabilities with premium features. Originally produced from 1963 to 1991, the Wagoneer nameplate was reintroduced in 2022, offering modern engineering and advanced technology. Engine and performance. The 2024 Wagoneer comes standard with the Hurricane twin-turbo engine, delivering 420 horsepower and 486 lb-ft of torque, providing ample power for various driving conditions. Dimensions and capacities. The Wagoneer offers generous interior space, accommodating up to 8 passengers. Key dimensions include: length, 214.7 inches. Width, 83.6 inches. Height, 75.6 inches. Cargo capacity, 27.4 cubic feet behind the third row, 70.8 cubic feet with the third row folded. These dimensions ensure ample room for passengers and cargo alike. Towing and payload. The Wagoneer is designed for heavy-duty tasks, boasting a maximum towing capacity of 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of 1,440 pounds, making it suitable for towing trailers, boats, or carrying substantial cargo. Fuel economy. Equipped with a 26.4-gallon fuel tank, the Wagoneer achieves an estimated fuel economy of 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway, resulting in a combined rating of 20 miles per gallon. This provides an estimated driving range of approximately 528 miles. Interior features. The Wagoneer emphasizes comfort and convenience, featuring 3-zone automatic climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, power-adjustable front seats with memory settings, advanced Uconnect 5C NAV infotainment system with a 10.1-inch display, standard navigation system. These amenities ensure a luxurious driving experience. Safety and driver assistance features. Safety is a priority in the Wagoneer, offering adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, rain-sensing windshield wipers, electronic parking brake, automatic door locking. These features enhance both safety and convenience for drivers and passengers. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Jeep Wagoneer is available in multiple trims, each offering a unique set of features to cater to different preferences and needs. Detailed information on each trim's specifications and pricing can be found on the official Jeep website. For a comprehensive overview of the 2025 Jeep Wagoneer's features and options, you can visit the official Jeep website. Please note that specifications and features may vary by region and model year. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, it's advisable to consult the official Jeep website or contact a local Jeep dealership. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.